6 hours, approximately 27 people have been reported missing. It is unknown what happened, but reports say these people were within a half-mile radius of the woods on the west side of the county. At this time, do not go near or inside of the woods, as doing so will result in unknown repercussions. That is all. We will now return to normal programming. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Herald County Police Department. During the last hour, 15 more people have gone missing. These people were not near or in the woods at all. Also, there have been reports of spots of blood and flesh all over the county and a strong blood smell. At this time, do not go outside. If you go outside, bring a weapon for self-defense against the unknown. If you see a spot of blood and flesh near or in your home or you smell blood, please report it immediately to the police. That is all. We will now return to normal programming. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Herald County Police Department. Do not go outside. I repeat, do not